If you are replacing a patio door and looking for something on the affordable side, this is the price range where homeowners make the biggest mistakes. Let's fix that. Now, when replacing your patio door with a budget, the biggest mistake I see people do is replace their door with a standard aluminum sliding glass door. The problem is that aluminum is conducting the heat from the outside in, like your soda can, like heat sinks. That's actually what it's designed for. This product here is going to be the Milgard thermally broken aluminum. Now what that means is the exterior aluminum and the interior aluminum are separated by a piece of non-conductive material. What it does is it stops that heat to transfer from the outside in. Same thing with the cold. It stops the cold from transferring from the outside in. So if you are on a budget and you're looking for the most budget-friendly product, the thermally broken is going to be a good operating door for you, get you that energy efficiency that you need, but yet still not break the bank. Now you ask yourself, what's going to be best for you? You have a back patio and you're looking at either a French door or a sliding glass door. There's a couple things to consider what's best. The differences are the operation of the door. What's going to work best for your flow? Is it going to dictate either a sliding glass door or a hinge door? When the door is in the open position, when it's a sliding glass door, it's not taking up any more space. However, a hinge door is. So what's going to work best for you for that aspect? As far as glass, a hinge door is going to have more obstruction to the view versus your sliding glass door, and your sliding glass door will come standard with a screen. Now, like I was saying, the hinge door or the French door, it's going to obstruct a lot of the area around the door. If you have a small space, whether it's in a bathroom or a bedroom, and you are worried about the door obstructing around the area to be able to naturally walk through it, then the sliding glass door is going to be best for you. Like I was showing you before or telling you before, the amount of glass to frame. You're going to have a lot more visible material on a hinged or a French door versus a sliding glass door. Now these don't come standard with a screen as well. An in-swing door is going to need an either outswing screen or a sliding screen. Both of them, for the most part, are going to be aftermarket. So if you're looking at getting a door with a screen that's going to come all together from the manufacturing company, a sliding glass door is going to be the better choice for you. Now, if you're looking for a budget-friendly patio door, I would recommend the Milgard Trinsic product. It is a vinyl product. It's going to be smooth operating. It'll have the energy efficiency, the sound, and the dust control that you need. This door is going to be a very good budget-friendly product. You're going to have the small amount of frame to glass, the energy efficiency, the screen, and it does come with many colors that you can choose from. If you have the budget and you can upgrade to the next step, let's show you Milgard's next step up. Now this here is the Milgard Tuscany. It is their next step up. It is their premium vinyl line. This door may operate the same as the Trinsic door, but it'll have a lot more functions available or a lot more bells and whistles. You can have a lot more locking features. You are going to have a little bit more frame profile on this door versus the Trinsic door that I just showed you. But this door is going to be a step up. It is going to be a little bit more expensive. I suggest doing a side-by-side comparison to see which door is going to be best for you and your home. When comparing patio doors for Arizona, the biggest differences that are going to give you the longevity and operation are actually going to be the material. So there's quite a few materials out there. The aluminum product is good for strength, but it lacks energy efficiency, ease of operation, sound, dust. Vinyl is good, however, that one's not going to have the strength for the oversized doors. What we have here is a fiberglass product. This is Milgard's Fiberglass Ultra C650. You're going to have the strength, you're going to have the energy efficiency, the sound, dust, and operation of this door. So for Arizona's climate, I highly suggest a fiberglass product if your budget can support it. So if you're looking for a multi-slide door, but yet your budget is pretty tight, it's not the best idea to get a budget-friendly multi-slide door. And the reason being is the strength of it. You have a lot of weight in that glass, depending on the size. It could be 100 to 500, 600 pounds per panel. If the product that you have picked is not strong enough to support itself, it's going to quickly break down. If you spend the money now and your door only lasts you 4 to 7 years, in 7 years, you're going to end up buying that more expensive door, which means you had just wasted all the money that you put into the door now. It's best to save and buy the premium product that's going to offer you the strength, the energy efficiency, and the durability that you need so that door you can enjoy for many years to come. If you're in the market for a door, let us help you. Give us a call and set up an appointment. You can either come into our showroom and you can operate all of these doors. You can do a side-by-side comparison with the price in front of you, or set up an appointment to where we can come out to your place. You can either log on at azwindowreplacement.com or give our office a call. Either way, we would love to see you so we can help you with your door needs. See you soon.